So today I'll be doing some waves on myself so you guys can know how to do it on yourself. And I'll be putting my extensions on just because my hair is still pretty short. So I'll be putting them right now. You can obviously tell I have extensions, so let's hope they blend because I've never really used them. So I'm gonna spray some argan oil. This is perfect for like frizzy hair. And so I have really curly hair and my hair is very frizzy right now. So I spray that a lot so it won't look all frizzy and very dry because I don't like that. This is usually how I do it. I part my hair in 2 sections and I'll start with one. So I'm gonna start with this side and I'm gonna flip this section. I'm gonna grab a section from the back. I'm gonna clip this up. So I'll be using this, the curling iron, but I use it as a wand. It's 1 inch, and I'm gonna start by putting the wand. So I'll be putting the iron over here, like that, and I twist it. So you wrap it and twist it, wrap it and twist it. So if you just wrap it, it won't look like a wave, but if you wrap it and twist it, wrap it and twist it, then that's going to create the wave. It's hard. Okay. I'm gonna spray a little bit more of argan oil just because I don't like it to be very frizzy. You have to like open it with your fingers. I'm gonna spray some got to be glued. This is my favorite hairspray. Another section. And basically I'm going to do the same thing all around the back, and I'm going to spray some argan oil and do the same thing. So I put my hand behind my head and I wrap it, twist it, wrap it, twist it. Oops. Okay. Wrap it. Oh no. And then just the little ends, you just wrap it. I think I'm gonna use this one instead. So try to open it from the bottom too, just because when you open it from the top and then you have like a little tiny curl on the bottom, it looks pretty funny. So try to open it even, and then at the end you can always brush it too. So the key here is twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping, and it looks like that. And this, I'm gonna spray it like that and tease it. What I do is I put the wand in the bottom like that, and this helps with making it stay the volume just for a little bit. And so I also do this for the baby hairs. And so now I'm gonna curl it towards the back. put this clip right here, and so I'm gonna spray it there just to hold it a little bit like to the top, just to have some volume there. And I'm just gonna leave it there for now, just like that, because I don't want so much volume. Okay, and now this side, more hair. So it's gonna be the same thing. So for this side, I'm not gonna go like this same way I did it for the other side. I mean, I could, but for me it's not comfortable. I'm used to going like this instead. So I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna put the curling iron facing down, and I'm gonna put it behind the hair, and I'm gonna curl towards the back, and I twist, wrap it, and then I twist it, and I wrap it. And then this is how it turned out. And this is how it looks. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you guys try to do this, make sure to send me a picture or tag me. I would love to see how it turned out on you.